Hey guys, I just wanted to discuss this freezing rain threat really fast because there's a lot going into the forecast. I know we say it's tricky, so I want to explain why it's tricky. Basically, here in Rochester in Western New York, expecting a freezing rain threat to start here Saturday evening. Now, colder temperatures here at the surface are likely going to mean a higher chance of sleet. And now let me explain that, and this is what's making this forecast a little bit tricky, because we have this cold air spilling in from Canada. So imagine this is Canada over here. We have that warm air surging in from the south. That warm air overrides the cold air, and what we were expecting about 24 hours ago is to have a very shallow layer of cold air. But now it looks like that cold air is going to be seeping a little bit further towards the south, and that puts a deeper layer in the atmosphere above us of these frigid temperatures, and above that a significant inversion. So for example, what we're expecting here is about 5,000 to 6,000 feet above our heads for temperatures to be into the 50s, while at the surface at the freezing point. Let me show you how these temperatures have been walking southward, I should say, here on this model outlook. First, I'm showing you GFS, look at, and then this is the European further towards the south. See how that kind of works? So that's showing us that deeper layer of cold air, changing that threat to sleet. But this has been wobbling a little bit, and I still think that chance of freezing rain is going to be there because that cold air has to seep in. So it could start off as freezing rain, then change over to sleet, then back to rain. There's a lot going on here in the forecast. That's why models have been jumping back and forth, and why these futurecast freezing rain models are not really the greatest, but still useful nonetheless. So this weekend's going to be really interesting. I'm really curious how this is going to play out. Yeah, we didn't have to deal too much with freezing rain when I was working in Japan, so really kind of getting used to working with this. Studied a lot on it, but could be my first real freezing rain event since the Navy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think.